Rakhi, you can share your screen. Turn on your camera.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. You can start.
Okay, sir. My project name is Cloud-Based Investment Platform and task allotted to me understanding different types of data in stock market investing. So this is the content of my task. First is introduction, importance of data in stock market investing, types of data in stock market investing, fundamental data, technical data, sentiment data, historical price data, importance of real-time data in stock trading, data sources and tools for analysis, and last is conclusion. So first we discuss about the story. So there are two investors on their journey. First name is Sarah and second name is John. So Sarah name which charts, numbers and researches, and it believes that quantitative data held the key of success. On the other hand, John is a trader, trusted his gut instead and the power of qualitative information. As their path crossed, they would discover the dynamic dance between the quantitative and qualitative data in the ever-changing world of stock market investing. So, slide is importance of data in stock market investing. So first is stock market. Stock market is where where investors buy and sell share of company. It is a set of exchanges where companies issue shares, exchanges where companies and other securities for trading. It also include OTC, means over the counter marketplaces where investor trade securities directly with each other. These are the importance of stock market investing. First is informed decision making, risk assessment, identifying trends, valuation, timing, monitoring and adjustment, long term planning. First is informed decision making. Informed decision making, it provides the investor with information about a company financial health, historical performance, market conditions, and many more. This data enables informed investment decision. Second is risk assessment. Risk assessment, it helps the investor to understand the risk associated with a particular stock or investment strategies. Identifying trends, identify trends in stock market prices, market sentiments, and economic indicators. It recognize the trends for making profitable trends and investments. Fourth is valuation. Valuation in fundamental data, valuations such as earnings, revenue, and price to earning ratio. It helps investor check check a stock undervalued or overvalued, aiding in the determination of fair market value. Timing, it is essential for stock market investing. Real time and historical data assist investors choosing optimal entry and exit points for their investments. Monitoring and adjustment, monitoring and adjustments allow investors to adjust their strategies and response to changes market conditions like news events, economic indicators. Last is long term planning, it assists the data for long term financial planning, retirement goals by helping investor track, process and make necessary adjustments to their investments. Next slide is types of data in stock market investing. There are three types of data: fundamental data, technical data, sentiment data. First, we discuss about the fundamental data. Fundamental data, it refers to the financial information and matrices that provide insights into companies' underlying financial health and performance. Fundamental data also includes the data to allow investors to assess a company value, growth potential, and financial stability. Fundamental analysis involves evaluating this data to make investment decisions. Example of fundamental data is earning reports, revenue figures, balance sheets, income statements, and financial store like price to earnings ratio. First is earnings. Earnings represent company profit after expenses and taxes. Revenue is a sales turnover. It is the total income generated by a company through a primary operation. Price to earning ratio. It represents the company stock price to its earning per share. It indicates how much investors are willing to pay for each dollar of earnings. Next is technical data. Technical data is also known as a technical analysis. It involves the examination of historical trading data, primarily price and volume, to make predictions about future price movements of stock or other financial instruments. And technical data is the idea that historical price patterns tend to repeat themselves. And the technical analysis helps traders make short to medium term decisions. Example of technical data is indicators like moving averages, relative strength index, and patterns. So first is moving average. It represent it is used to smooth out price of data, identify trends. And second is the relative strength index. It represent the speed and the change of price movements. Next is sentiment data. Sentiment data. Sentiment data refers to the information that reflects the emotional or physiological attitude of market participants, such as investors and traders, toward a particular asset's market or economic conditions. Sentiment data provides insights into whether market sentiment is positive, negative, or neutral, and it can influence trading decisions. Example of sentiment data is the social media sentiments, news sentiments, surveys, sentiment analysis algorithm. Market influence means it can have a significant impact on short-term price movements. Positive sentiment can drive buying activity, while negative sentiment can lead to selling pressure. News and events, it reacts to in turn can amplify their effects on the market. Social media like Twitter, Facebook, stock tweets as sources of real-time sentiment data. Traders or investors share opinions, news, emotions related to stock and markets. Next is historical price data. Historical price data, it is a record that contain information about a stock past prices over a specific period of time. Historical price data also includes details such as the opening price, closing price, highest price, lowest price, and the trading volume of each day or in time interval. This data is for investors analysts to analyze the stock historical performance and identify trends, make informed decision about buying and selling the particular stock. These are the 5 importance of the historical price data: performance analysis, trend identification, risk evaluation, strategy formulation, and last is decision making. First is performance analysis. Performance analysis in historical price data, it allows investors to assess how stock has performed over a specific time frame. By in past price movements, investors can whether the stock has been on upward trajectory and upward and downward trend, and it remained relatively stable. Second is trend identification. Trend identification, it analyzes historical price data to helps identifying the trends. Investors can support trends or sideways trends. It in this trend, it's making for timely buying and sell decisions. Risk evaluation. Risk evaluation In historical data, investors can assess the risk associated with a particular stock, understanding how a stock has reacted to past market conditions, events, to help the estimate potential risk and rewards. Fourth is strategy formulation. Strategy formulation, in this investors and traders use historical price data to develop trading strategies. For example, a long-term investor may look for stock with a history of consistent growth, while a day trader may seek stock with high volatility. Last is decision making. Decision making in historical price data is a important for this is making a data. Investors can use this data to determine entry, exit points, and set stop loss orders, manage their portfolios effectively. Next is the importance of real-time data in stock trading. So first is, what is real-time data? Real-time data means it is a information provided per millisecond related to changes globally. Stock exchanges usually APIs, and it used for traders, investors to make optimal entry and exit decision based on real-time data changes. These are the 5 importance of real-time data in stock trading. First is timely decision making. Second is intraday trading. Third is risk management. Fourth is volatility management. Last is news and events. So first is timely decision making. Timely decision making, it provides traders with up to the minute information on stock prices, volumes, market activity. It allows for swift decision making in fast for moving markets. Next is intraday trading. Traders and investors rely on real time data to make quick buy and sell decisions within the same trading session, to profit for short-term price movements. Third is risk management. Risk management in real-time data, it helps to traders manage their risk effectively, and it can set stop loss traders, target prices, react to unexpected developments, minimizing potential losses. Fourth is volatility management. Volatility management, in real-time data it is essential to monitor trading strategies accordingly, and in this it is important for options for future options. Last is news and events. News and events in real-time data, it includes news feeds enabling traders to react to significant events, corporate announcements, economic data releases, and political developments that can impact stock prices. Next is data sources and tools for analysis. So first is data sources. Data sources, it is an object that represent repository of data, such as email service, file share, or filing cabinet. These are the sources and tools for analyzing the data. Stock exchanges, financial news websites, data providers, government agencies. So first is stock exchanges. Stock exchanges are the primary sources of stock market data. It provides real-time historical data on stock prices, trading volumes, other market-related informations. Financial news websites like Boomerang, Yahoo Finance, or other websites, including stock quotes, news articles, earning reports, and financial statements. Data providers, its specialized data provide, collect, process, and sell stock market data. It provides in this providers offer comprehensive data sets, various level of guarantee. Last is government agencies. Government agencies like USA Securities Exchange Commissions provide public access to regulatory filing, corporate disclosures, financial reports of publicly traded companies. Last is conclusion. So we explore various types of data for stock market investing. In this, historical data provides valuable insights into stocks per past performance and decision making. Understanding historical data empowers investors to make informed decisions. It is a foundational step in developing effective investment strategies. And in encouragement to continue learning. The stock market is a dynamic field. Continuous learning is a key, and it is also explore data analysis techniques, advanced tools, and strategies. This is the reference slides. These are the reference links which I have used. If you have any question, please ask me. And for any queries, please contact me. Thank you. I'm done, sir.
Uh, yeah, Rakhi, the content was good. You do have to work on your communication skills. Other than that, it was fine. I have one question for you. In the data sources and tools for analysis slide, what tools are exactly being used for data analysis?
Stock exchanges, boomerang, brokerage firms, government agencies. These are the tools for use data analysis.
Then what are the data sources?
Data sources. And data sources, it is a object that represent respiratory of data like email, archive, and filing cabinets and file sharing.
Can you mention a few data sources that can
No,
be used for analysis later by all of the tools that you have mentioned?
no, sir.
You have to do your research as well, no?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Can you show me the entire presentation from start? Please go back to the content slide. Okay, you can go to the next slide. Yeah, next. Next. Keep going to the next slide. You will have to work on your communication skills because it felt very bland. You need to,
Oh,
bring in more energy, and you have to change your tones every single time, and
oh,
try to include stories while you're explaining different concepts. Okay.
okay, sir. Okay,
Other,
sir. Thank you, sir.
yeah, you can leave the meeting. uh I don't think there are any other presentations for today. Ayush, do you have any questions? I don't think he has any other questions either. So we'll end the meet for today. Thank you everyone for joining in.